Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the new HyperJuice Stackable GaN chargers. So as you can see, you have two USB-C ports and a USB-A. This charges at a full 18 watts, and these charge at 65 watts. Anytime you want to use both. And then this one over here is their 100 watt, so you get 100 watts out of any of these ports, and again the 18 watts out of here, and that is quick charge, fast charging enabled, as well as these up here. And these are both power delivery battery or chargers right there. They have the flip out wall prongs right there, so they fold completely flat into the casing, which is great if you're going to slip it into a pocket, or if you're going to use it during your travels so it doesn't get caught in anything. So this part plugs into the wall, and it has another port up top, and that's why these are cool, because these are stackable. So then you can plug these directly into each other, and then you have all of these ports that you can charge MacBooks, iPad Pros, pretty much whatever you want. You have two USB-C ports here, one USB-A, three USB-C ports here, and one USB-A. So these are stackable. They're GaN enabled. This is the 66 watt or 65 watt, 66 watt right there, and this is the 100 watt right here. And they are available now from Hyper, and these are the HyperJuice wall chargers. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.